I got another train coming same day. This one's not very far behind the other one that I just got. Trying to stabilize the camera a little bit. They're going to the other crossing right now. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to stabilize the camera the best I can. I'm also paying more attention to my phone for the most part. To really get a good shot, I meant to say. Whoops. Should probably start paying a little more attention to my phone screen. But yeah, the train is right down there. Sure enough, yeah, another activation. Well, anyway, there's the train. Zoomed in for y'all. They're pulling hard. Now the friendly honk. See how long the train is. I don't see the end yet. It's gonna be a long one. I don't believe they were stopping. Hopefully they're not. Well, there's the end right back there, I think. Zoom in on it for y'all. Looks like I think it's the back. Yeah, it looks like the back end. Lower temperatures are nice, but I'm definitely ready to get out of the sun. Oh, they are definitely stopping from the way it looks. There's the end of the train device. I don't know if it said anything on it, but there it went. Wheels look like they're blue. I don't know why. Anyway. And by the way, that barricade right down there, that's the one I called in. It's a company that owns it. But anyway, that'll do it for this video.